457 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And the war is still going on. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Monday, January the 6th, 2025. And we have here 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the binary and the Sudoku with 4 stars. In today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will start or continue with the 4 stars Sudoku number 9848. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 26, just like the previous Sudoku. Well, usually the 4 stars Sudoku has 24. This one has 2 digits more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with a 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 4 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the last column we need a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in the last column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this row. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1, 6, 8. 1, 6. 1, 6, 8. Yeah. Well, I need to wait here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 in the third row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 1. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so that column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 in the row above, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5, okay. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Need a 9 here. Alright. How about need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Yeah. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in this box. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the 2 in this row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. Need a 2 here. Need 2 there, okay. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column 3. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. Yeah. Need a 3 there. Yeah. Need a 9 here, okay. 1, three missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 1. We have 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this big square. No 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8, 8, okay. Need a 2, need a 6, need a 7 here. Well, come on. Need a 1 here. 2, need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in a row below, in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for 9 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so the last row, only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright, and now I need a 9 here. Come on. How about the 3 missing numbers in the last row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, and look, we have 1 and 8 in this column. No 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 6. 1 box left in this column for the number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. Alright. So we have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Alright. Then, let me see. Yeah. Need an 8 here. 8. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, okay. 8. Cannot continue with 8. Alright, so now we have in this row 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 7. Then 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 box left now in the middle column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8, 9, and 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, and look, we have a 6 and 8 in the third row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Then let me see. The one here. 146, 146, 146. Yeah. And this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 2 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Okay, so 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between, the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. 1 box left now in the middle row for number 1. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. I cannot feel this yet. Here also 4 and the 6 are missing. 1 box left now in the third row for number, I believe the 2, 1, 2, yeah, is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 4 and 6. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. I've marked this box with 6 or 4. We have a 6 now, so this box should be a 4. I've marked this box with 6 or 4. We have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. Oh wait, 8 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 13 minutes. Well, again, cannot be a 4 stars. Not a 3, not 2, not 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with time. A little bit slower than the previous Sudoku, but we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.